Ey, ich hätte es nicht besser sagen können. Spiel blöde Spiele, gewinn blöde Preise. So. Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Wir sind bei Game of Thrones und brauchen eine Armee und die holen wir uns jetzt, hoffe ich doch.
Two go in, one comes out, day after day. No rules, but kill. Anyone who can survive that is capable of anything. They're crazed savages. But one pit fighter is worth any 10 sellswords. If you can convince them to fight for you. And that's not going to be easy. Don't expect to charm them or reason with them.
I've got enough gold to buy them all.
I'd be careful flaunting it.
Scheint ja ein lustiges Völkchen zu sein. Alter Falter.
Must make you feel pretty good, seeing the Masters overthrown.
They're not gone. They're just on their knees. And when they get back to their feet, they'll be more dangerous than ever.
You did what?
What the fuck?
Trust me, you don't want to get involved, Asher.
Your friends have been busy.
Let's hope our heads don't end up here.
Also verstehe ich das jetzt halt richtig, dass die Sklavenhalter die Sklaven gezwungen haben zu Arenakämpfen? Mehrere gehen rein, einer kommt raus. Dann haben sie jetzt die Sklavenhalter umgebracht, alle. Aber sie machen trotzdem weiter, weil war doch eigentlich cool in der Arena, oder wie? Okay.
Oh, one last thing. They're not fond of strangers. Or anyone who shows weakness. Or fear. Or really any highborn pricks with lily white asses like you, little brother.
What are you leading me into, Beskar?
No, I warned you. But don't worry, little brother. I'll protect you.
Well, if it isn't Beskar, the fucking basilisk.
We just want to talk to Amaya.
You can, but not this one hiding behind your skirt. You've got to the count of 3 to turn around and walk away. 1.
Schön auf die Nase. Das finde ich witzig. Ich auch. Was, ernsthaft?
Hey, Amaya!
Okay. Interessant, wie man hier verhandelt.
Is that a pit?
Eh? Some masters couldn't get enough of the fighting, so they built their own private pits, where things could get really nasty.
Was habe ich eigentlich hier dabei? Ach, der Drachenzahn immer noch. Okay. Ein bisschen links, ein bisschen rechts gehen. Okay, geht nicht links, rechts. Muss ich wohl da durch. Kann ich da runter gucken? Mach mir mal ein bisschen Platz, Junge. Wer war das da gerade da unten? Ja, hallo? Das drückt dich mal ein bisschen durch. Scheiße. Ja, ja, ich komm. Ich würde gehen, aber die Steuerung will nicht. Hallo? Ah, jetzt hat. Vorsicht, Vorsicht. Ich muss da durch.
That's Amaya.
Keep your cock in your pants, little brother. She's likely to chop it off.
Na, Hallöchen.
Well, hello there.
Not many people get past the beast. You must need something very badly. So, out with it. Before I decide not to let you leave.
I've come with an offer. I think it's one that'll interest you and your men.
If you wanted my interest, you wouldn't have shown up with her.
Amaya, please.
Please what? I had a friend once, the Basilisk, but she died a long time ago.
I earned my freedom.
You walked out on me. On all of us.
Ja.
Fighting side by side, we were goddesses of the pits.
You have a problem with her? Deal with me.
So, what is it that you want? Why shouldn't we rip you to pieces and feed you to the beast?
Weil ich ein hübsches Gesicht habe.
My patience wears thin.
My enemies in Westeros are powerful and bloodthirsty. Worse than your masters ever were. I need fearless soldiers to crush them!
You think we sell swords? We don't fight other people's wars. We are pit fighters! Artists who paint in blood!
That was yesterday. The fighting pits have been closed. You're all free now! Free to do what you want! Don't you see that?
Yes, we are free. Why would we follow another? We don't have masters anymore! Why would we follow anyone ever again?
You all excel at combat, but you know nothing until you've tasted the thrill of war. Waves of men crashing together. Blood and steel. In Westeros, they sing of our great warriors for thousands of years.
Amaya, trust me. He's got enough gold for all of you.
You want to lead pit fighters? You have to earn their respect first.
We don't know who you are until we see you bleed.
You're gonna have to show them you can fight.
All right. Who?
Besten.
Who's the best you've got?
Erstmal der Beste, ne?
His name is Bloodsong. He's vicious, fearless, and fast.
I've never seen him before.
Take a good look then. He's the man who's going to kill your boy.
And if I beat him, you and your men will join me in my fight.
If you can beat Bloodsong, you'll gain our respect. But no one has ever beat him.
Right. Well, suppose I better get this over with.
So what are you supposed to be? With your little axe? Your pretty blonde beard?
Musst du gerade sagen, mit dem Dreck am Kinn hier. Yes, yes.
Thanks for noticing the beard.
Well, come on! Let's see how you die!
If I die in there,
Yeah? You have a dying wish? This ought to be good.
Will you at least kill Bloodsong?
No. I'll use your queen's gold to get as far away from here
Die
as
gefällt
possible.
mir. Sehr schön.
Hey! I need those!
You'll fight with the weapons we give you.
You all see this cockless Westerosi? He's come to order us to battle. like our masters did. I kill no man because another orders me to. I kill a man because it pleases me. Let me show you how we dance in Marine. You fight dirty. I like that.
Choose a weapon and try not to die. Only one of you leaves the pit alive. May the best fighter win.
The best would be me.
Wo gibt's denn hier eine Waffe? Gib mal eine Waffe her. Was ist denn das? Ich weiß nicht mal, was das ist. Junge, echt jetzt. Was war das? Ah, das ist so Clown-Dinger. Irgendwie. Ei. Okay, das ist schön. Das gefällt mir. Ah, guck mal da. Ich glaube, beim Kämpfen bin ich besser als beim Hasen erschießen. Wie Kaputski oder was? Gib mir noch eine Waffe. Gib mir die da. Oh, das kenne ich. So. Oha. Das könnte übel ausgehen. Fernkampf gegen Nahkampf. Junge, hör auf, hier rumzufuchteln. Ich will nicht an Lungenentzündung sterben.
Are you ready?
Ja, ui. Jetzt aber hier.
This is gonna hurt. Yours will be a beautiful death. Isn't that something you'd
Wenigstens
like
mal die
to
Klappe
say?
halten würde. Jetzt.
Hear that, boy? I cannot let the crowd go wanting.
I think I can, actually.
For that you die slow.
Wie, schon wieder eine neue Waffe? Was ist denn mit meiner alten passiert? Die war doch recht gut. Was hat er denn jetzt? Jetzt hat er komische Schlitzi-Schlatzis. Keine Ahnung. Aufschlitzdinger. Was weiß ich, wie die Dinger heißen.
Maybe.
Come on, pretty boy.
Ja, lass mal. Junge, wie kannst du das abwehren? Echt jetzt? Holla. Da liegt er. Hallo? Finger weg. Ja, besser die Dinger weg als die Finger ab. Ey, das war nicht geil. Mach hinne. Ah, so, hab ich dich jetzt so. Achso, ich dachte, der tut mir jetzt so oben drüber schmeißen oder so, weißt du?
Ready! Westerosi! Don't hold back!
Don't intend to.
Look at this terrified boy! He fears his
Junge,
end.
eigentlich siehst eher du schon ziemlich fertig aus, wenn ich das mal so sagen darf, ne? Oha. Jetzt kann er auch hier Würgegriffe, ist ja Wahnsinn. Mal her da. Ah, das sieht nicht gut aus. Lass doch mal einen Arm los, Mann. Ah, das hat bestimmt wehgetan. Okay, jetzt hat er dieses Schlitzi-Dingsi, aber er kann nur noch den Kranich machen, er hat ein kaputtes Bein. Holla. So, steht er nochmal auf. Wie ist denn das jetzt eigentlich? Ist das wirklich so, dass man erst rauskommt, wenn der tot ist? Ach, die rufen meinen Namen. Ja,
Stick the little man!
wird natürlich verschont, ganz klar. Nein, machen wir nicht.
You're stupid, Gin. You're stupid
Yep.
rules.
Ey, ich hätte es nicht besser sagen können. Spiel blöde Spiele, gewinn blöde Preise. So. Er hat in deinem Hintergrund da
Your
Heuer
old
gesagt.
champion is gone. As are your old masters. You can stay here in Marine with nothing, or you can come with me. I chose you for a reason.
Oh, jetzt ist mir nichts mehr eingefallen. Ich muss eine
You
Luft holen.
deserve better than this! You deserve more than to die for someone else's entertainment! Fight with me, and you will have glory and gold! If you've got the balls to follow me, we will set sail at dawn. And to those too craven to join me, to hell with you!
Ich glaube, wir haben sie überzeugt, oder? So. Also ein paar dürften wir jetzt aber wirklich haben. Also so... Ich meine, wir haben bewiesen, dass wir ein krasser Grubenkämpfer sind und Geld haben wir auch. Also eigentlich... Oha. Jetzt sollte ich...
What are those things? Oh, God, over here! Over here!
Hier drüben, hier drüben. Oh shit, das sieht überhaupt nicht gut aus. Aber ich muss mit dem Bogen schießen. Junge, warum sind die so gut? Der oder die hat noch mal ein Schwert.
They won't die! Anything can be killed!
Kopf abhacken vielleicht. Kopf abhacken. Okay. Schon mal gut.
Finn! Stay with me!
Ich glaube, der wird nicht mehr lang bleiben. Ey! Geht's noch? Ah, Alter, echt jetzt? Oh, Moment, ich hab pausiert. Ich drück Q. Ah, guck. Ja. Holla. Okay.
Fuck! Why won't they die?
We need fire! It's the only way!
Okay.
Oh. Fucking hell!
Aber echt, hey. Das war nicht gut. Nochmal. Kopf. Auch nicht gut. Beine. Okay, Feuer. Hatte die gerade rote Haare? War das... Bleib. Guck mal hier, Feuer. Für das, wo sie Eis-Putzis sind, also sind die ziemlich brennbar irgendwie. Oh shit. Finn ist tot.
Finn!
Kommen die alle her?
They're everywhere!
We make for the North Grove! We need to stick together!
Rennen können sie auch noch? Okay, dann... Ja, Cotter kann, glaube ich, nicht so gut rennen. Was sollen wir machen? Abhauen müssen wir auf jeden Fall. Ey. Was ist denn eigentlich gerade hier los, dass da so ewig Ladedingens da? Und hier soll sich das soll sich doch drehen da. Dreh dich, los. Genau, naja. Muss man ein bisschen ölen, die Zahnräder hier. Also irgendwie will er heute nicht so, glaube ich. So, aha, Königsmund. Oha, mal gucken, wo es uns jetzt halt hinbringt.
Your Grace.
Na, wer hätte das gedacht?
You're familiar with my brother's chambers, aren't you? Certainly you've been here before. You looked rather confused when you came in.
I don't know what you mean, Your Grace.
I'm told you know these chambers as well as anyone. You're quite the curiosity, aren't you? You profess to be loyal to the crown, yet you're not very loyal to Lady Marjorie.
Have I displeased you, Your Grace?
I've heard things. I understand you've been quite busy. Tell me, do you consider yourself an honest, loyal handmaiden? One can never tell with you northern girls. Assuming an honest person exists in King's Landing.
It hasn't been easy, Your Grace, but I've done what I've needed to do.
Haven't we all? I've done my best to keep an open mind about people like you. Yet, Lucan tells me you invited yourself to Tommen's coronation party. How exactly did that happen? It can't have been easy.
I do what's necessary, Your Grace.
Including using another girl to talk your way in, I'm told. You're not above using people to get what you want. Good. Why would you be so reckless as to risk your neck for what? It all seems rather careless, considering the consequences.
My family is still very much at risk, Your Grace. It was crucial I attend.
Your family. Sometimes that's a convenient lie we tell ourselves. When I suspect your issue with Lord Andros played a part in it. You've been such a busy little handmaiden. I assume Lady Marjorie knew nothing of this.
No, Your Grace.
This wasn't the first time you've hidden the truth from her. You've no qualms about lying to her, have you? Tell me the truth. Your secret is safe with me.
Only when I must, Your Grace.
I think we both know it's more often than that.
Ich habe sehr, sehr
Perhaps I mistook
beeindruckt.
your northern stubbornness for ignorance, but now I see there's more to you. You're a cunning girl, and perhaps you can help me.
Your Grace?
You're quite friendly with my brother Tyrion. I need you to speak with him before the trial begins. I want to know who he intends to call as a witness on his behalf. Consider it a favor to the crown, for which we will all be grateful.
I guess I could, Your Grace.
It won't be easy. Tyrion is devious.
Ach, sie nicht,
You'll have
ne?
to hide your intentions, otherwise he'll tell you nothing. You may prove to be a useful little bird to me, assuming you do as you're told. In return, I'll take care of your problem with Lord Andros.
Thank you, Your Grace.
I never liked the man anyway. And I doubt anyone will miss him.
Ja, die Lannisters, hey. Ach, alles ein Pack, hey. Die sind alle...
You think we hired this boat for nothing?
I don't know. That was a rousing speech you gave, little brother. But who knows how much they heard. After you sold me out to Daenerys, I've given a lot of thought to staying here. Leaving you to your Westeros and your Foresters.
You have?
I was angry. But you're my family. No matter what. I'd follow you anywhere, little brother. Just try not to get us killed.
Das ist schon mal gut.
Think we'd let you live without us, Westerosi? They say your homeland is fat and prosperous. An orchard ripe for plucking.
We'll take what we want and kill anyone who stands in our way.
Take anything not nailed down. Just not from my house.
That depends on how nice your house is.
I'll show them their beds.
Ja, fängt schon mal... Also, diese Andeutung... Oh,
Vesco wasn't exaggerating.
Malcolm, you're here!
And you found your soldiers. Ironrath will be glad of your return. You came through for them. Just as I knew you would.
What does Daenerys want from you?
She has a mission for me. But beyond that, she's told me nothing. If I can, I'd like to help her reclaim the Iron Throne. Imagine what an ally she'd be to House Forrester if she succeeds. Living here has made a better man of you, nephew.
There's nothing I can say to make you change your mind.
I've made my decision. You are your father's son, Asher. For all your differences, he would be proud. I'll send a raven ahead to Ironrath to let Roderick know you sail for Westeros with, sellswords. My thoughts will be with you in the fight to come.
Was
Asher,
sind denn diese 2 Wachen, die er eben dabei hatte?
iron from ice.
Iron from ice. Casting off!
Der hatte eben 2 Wachen oder so irgendwie noch dabei. Was sind denn die jetzt hin?
Take this.
Sind die mit aufs
Melt loose
Boot?
his tongue. But be careful. He's a tricky little bastard.
Okay, wir müssen also jetzt
If he figures out who's
Tyrion
telling you
überzeugen,
nothing, I'll be listening to every word you
uns
say.
zu sagen, wer seine Leute sind, seine Zeugen quasi. Aber wir dürfen nicht direkt sagen, was wir wollen.
I ask for brawn, they send me a handmaiden. Well, you're here. You might as well come in. Let me guess. Your family is in grave danger, and you've come seeking my help? Not that I'd be of much use to you. As you can see, I'm at a bit of a disadvantage.
I brought you a gift.
Wine. You know the way to my heart. And you didn't even have to hide it. Doesn't smell poisoned.
Poisoned?
Cersei would love nothing more than to save herself the trouble of a trial.
Oh,
You don't expect me to drink alone, do you? They never let anyone in to see me.
I suppose I'll have just a little.
Ah, true girl of the North.
ey, der wickelt uns um den Finger. Ich will den um den Finger wickeln. Mann, ey. Nicht andersrum.
So, why are you here? It's rather unusual for a handmaiden to visit the Black Cells.
I've been worried about you, Lord Tyrion.
Oh, have you? You may be the only person in all of King's Landing who doesn't want to see my head on a spike. You and Podrick. I have to admit, I've always admired your honesty, but I suspect there's more to you than one might imagine. This is all a ruse, isn't it?
Sorry?
You're coming here. We both know you have an ulterior motive. You've come to set me free. It's the perfect plan. No one would suspect it of you.
I'm ready whenever you are.
I doubt we'd get very far. So, tell me. Cersei sent you, didn't she?
Nein.
I know I'm not wrong.
Are you toying with me?
I might ask you the same question. Now tell me the truth. Admit it.
I don't know what you're talking about. She did no such thing.
The guards have never let anyone in with wine. That was your first mistake. Not that I don't appreciate the gesture.
Der hat
I
grad
wish
geguckt.
you'd had the courage to tell me the truth.
Ja, Mann,
Not
ey.
that I'm above drinking her wine.
I told you to be careful. He'll twist your words. Stupid girl. You're acting a fool.
I owe him the truth.
Him?
Außerdem hab ich
He's
nicht
nothing
verraten.
now.
I'm
Also
still a
eigentlich
Lannister.
hat er
And I
hat
know
mich
plenty of
verraten,
men
weil er mir
who'd
Wein
happily
gegeben hat.
slit
So.
your throat. Now, give us a moment. We're not done talking.
Imp.
What did my sister expect you would learn?
Who will testify on your behalf?
She's using you, and will continue to do so, until you no longer prove useful.
It's not as if I could refuse her.
Cersei is not someone to be trifled with. And what would Lady Marjorie make of your new friendship with my sister? I doubt she'd be pleased. Assuming she doesn't dismiss you immediately.
To be honest,
bin
I don't
eh schon
care what Lady
ziemlich
Marjorie thinks of me.
nicht mehr bei Marjorie.
I thought you were smarter than that. Without her protection, you're in a very precarious position.
What should I tell Cersei?
You're a clever girl. I'm sure you'll think of something. Although I would suggest you choose your words carefully. Cersei will be far less amused if she catches you in a lie.
Please, Lord Tyrion. I beg of you, help me.
The only help I can offer is a bit of advice. Become a better liar.
Enough of this nonsense! You're wasting my time! Out! Now!
I wish you well, Lady Mira.
Bedank dich wenigstens für den Wein. Ja. Ach, guck mal da, zurück in Eisenrad. Aber heute nicht mehr, ihr Leute. Erst morgen. Da gucken wir uns dann diesen Narbenbuckel da an. Bis morgen. Schön mit euch. Oh, oh.